So baseline, I will tell you with another example. So each column going to be constructed in each day. So 10 days project. Okay, one after another. Okay.
Yeah,
So I
1 day.
can,
Okay.
yeah, I can go to put column. I will consider this as a material.
Okay.
Okay, since column material standard rate, I will put a $100 for each column. Okay, so I can select everything, right click. Okay, assign resources. This way also you can assign the resources. I am going to assign column and one and assign. Okay,
So each task is assigned with material
yeah,
resource. All, all the tasks.
yeah, the same thing. Insert, we can see the cost. So this is what I was expecting.
Okay.
Okay, okay. Now, like after this, like if it is okay and also the start and finish date okay, then we can
Hmm.
able to like have a baseline. How we can create a baseline? Go to project, set baseline.
Okay.
Okay, so set baseline. You need to select baseline only, not interim plan. Okay, so entire project we supposed to have as a baseline. Click OK. Not selected
Mhm.
task. Okay, now we created. Okay, now how you can assign the baseline here? Okay, so we have baseline now. Like okay, now like you can right click, go for bar styles. You can go to format and here you have baseline. Okay, so here you can
Okay.
select directly.
Uh,
So now you can see that gray color bar is coming. In Primavera,
yeah.
you can do that in the bars, but in MS Project we have dedicated tool over format. Okay, now we can also
Okay. Okay.
slip page. I just switched on the baseline with that what we saved now. Okay, now we have baseline. Once the baseline is fixed, in as per the actuals, if it is moving away also, like you can able to calculate the time and cost whether it is affected or not. So baseline is something why we are having
Uh,
for earned value analysis. Without baseline, we can't able to go for earned value analysis.
uh-huh.
Okay, now I will ask you some question. Like after 3 days, how many? After 5 days, how many columns should be completed?
Four columns, right?
No, after 5 days.
Ah, 5 days.
Hmm. So five
After
working days. After
5 days,
5 working days, how many columns
ah,
should be completed?
until the row 5, right?
Yeah,
Or,
five columns.
mhm.
5 columns should be completed in 5 days.
Yeah, that's only.
Okay. But they completed only first. So you can put 100 if it is completed. So tick mark you will get 100. So
Ah,
100. So
actually,
all these three we completed it, which will turn the thing to blue and also tick mark you will get in the indicator. But this two
mhm.
is not completed, but you need to select this date. So
Partially.
23
Yeah.
9, right? So you need to put the status date as 23 9 or 24. So we can go to put 23 9 or 24. Click OK.
Okay.
Okay.
That is for the okay.
Hmm. So now we can able to update the project, entire project. So 24, click OK. Ah, okay, okay.
Mhm.
This is like updating, like whatever you are putting now, based on that, like you will be having also that is update project. But this is manual updating. Okay, that is update project
Manual
different. Okay, so what we can do, we can just take 23. Okay, because it is like taking the okay status date is 23. Okay,
okay. So it will be until the fifth item,
yeah.
fifth task.
See, show hider bar. Here also you can able to show that. Right click and then
Mhm.
that is for the baseline. Okay.
Uh-huh. So it will be if we update automatically, it will give the tick
Update
mark,
project
right?
means like whatever you are putting data now on that days, the all columns it's completing also automatically. Okay, just a second.
So okay.
Just a minute.
Okay.
Hello.
Yes.
Yeah, can you see in update project, we have this option, reschedule uncompleted work to start after. So just click OK.
Mhm.
So now you can see how everything is moved away.
Okay. Okay. So, okay, the first three tasks is completed, and these two will be rescheduled. The date change.
Wait a minute.
Before it
Yeah,
was
because
20.
19 and then 20, before it was how? See, totally okay. So everything is totally 12 days. Yeah, this is what I was expecting. See, 5 days, but three only completed. So now it becomes duration 12 days. Now you can also see the
Yeah.
slip pages because of this delay.
Okay. So that status date we changed to 23, right?
Yeah, yeah. And then we are putting reschedule uncompleted work. That's why it's rescheduled. Okay, and based on that, we
Okay.
also get the constraint by default, automatically. Okay, now we can able to go for the analysis and all. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
in the view you can see the table and you can go for more tables.
Mm-hmm.
And here you can go for earned value. Click apply. Now you can able to see like 5 days, 5 columns should be completed. So the planned value is 5 into 100, 500.
Uh-huh.
Okay, but they completed only three. So 3 into 100, 300. That is earned
300.
value.
Okay.
But actual cost, actually they're spending twice the money. So actually it's supposed to be 600. Okay, so what we can do is
300.
actual cost we can't update here directly. So to update the actual cost, again you can go back to the entry table or task usage. Okay, then I can go for a cost here, cost or here cost, actual cost. So actual cost is 100, right, everywhere. But
Yeah.
they spend 200. This also you need to update this way. Okay, now I can go back to the earned value, more tables, earned value. So can you see the actual cost is 600, but we can't update here directly, but after updation, it
Uh-huh.
will come here.
That is manually changed by us, right?
Yeah, yeah,
Yeah.
there we manually put, but here, because actual is what we are getting, na, that manually only we need to put.
But in this case, we completed 5 days task. We planned, and three activity we completed.
Hmm. So I
So
told you,
the
na,
post
5 days, what we planned is planned value, but what
500.
we earned is earned value. Actual cost is what we actually spent.
No, no. For 5 days, we need to plan for $500.
No,
Then,
this is just a terms, just that you
uh-huh.
understand, and you might be having some formula to calculate it. So you can see the formula here. SV equal to BCWP minus BCWS, CV equal to BCWP minus ACWP. So all this you have here. So no need to worry, all this simple formulas only, it will come by automatically. Now you got everything, but now how you can study, whether it is going as per the cost and time. Okay, now we can
Uh-huh.
go for CPI, SPI. This is very important for any project. Okay, cost performance index and schedule performance index. Okay, okay. What we have, cost performance index, zero point 0.5 as a whole for the project. So it is not good for the project, which means they are spending twice the money. So it should be always one or more than one. It should not be less than one. Then it's not good for the project. That 2.9, 0.95 and all, it's good. But zero point 0.5
Uh-huh.
means they're spending twice the money.
And SPI means,
Schedule performance index.
that
Okay.
also less.
That also less than one because we are delaying. See already becomes 12 days because we rescheduled. So rest we have 7 columns, so 12 days totally. So short schedule performance index also, like we have zero point 0.6, which is not good for.
Overall 0.6, and
So we can
it
say
suggests
this project is not going as per the time and cost. Time also point, like as per the time also it's like getting delayed, as per the cost also it's exceeding.
okay.
Yeah,
So while going back, baseline we fixed for 10 days for entire
yeah.
task, and in between, after 5 days, they completed only three activities.
Hmm.
We assigned the task is not completed as per the schedule. 5 days we decided, and in actual scenario, three tasks only completed.
Hmm.
This is the baseline uh, uh, and the theory behind that, right?
Yeah, the earned
Then,
value analysis is like industrial standard for checking cost and time, whether it is going good for the
uh,
project or not.
okay. So what I'm thinking. So all the resources and all things we planned for 5 days, and only we achieved 3 days task only.
Yeah,
So what is the current scenario analysis we are doing now?
yeah, we got these
Okay.
things. It will get updated only if you have baseline. If you don't have baseline, these values it will not update automatically.
Okay, okay.
That's why we have baseline.
Can you go back to how you take the baseline? Just I forgot that one.
So table, more table, and then earned value. This is for the thing. And again, if you want to go
No,
back to the normal entry table,
no. First we fix the baseline
ah,
initially.
so initially, like, yeah, I have recordings. I can give it
Project.
to you. Project set
Set
baseline.
baseline.
Yeah,
Okay. Set baseline. Okay.
yeah.
Projects. Okay.
We can able to create only 11 baselines. See,
Uh-huh. Okay.
yeah. And if you're creating another new baseline, accordingly, you should select the project baselines also. Okay.
So in the major project, we can choose each milestone as a baseline. Am I right?
No, milestone is like just an activity, a milestone task.
Uh-huh.
But
Because
as a whole, like, no, you mean like you want to have only some particular task as baseline?
the because in this case, under project two, these columns are each task, right? So
Yeah,
project two is the milestone.
yeah,
In the entire project, it will be subjected each milestones, and
yeah,
that we can individually set the baseline. Then we can estimate this, evaluate how it is going, like that way, right? Or
yeah.
as you mentioned, only 10 baseline we can set in a entire project.
No, we can able to make only 11 baseline because in
Uh,
MS project we have limited. In Primavera we
uh,
can able to make unlimited baselines.
okay, so,
But here
so
we have the option whether to go for the entire project or selected task. It's better to go with the
uh,
entire project with one single baseline, so it will not be confusing.
okay.
Okay, but what you're telling is like only for selected task. That is not good actually. Like we can't
Uh,
able to have many baselines also, right?
okay. So in this, if we say project two, and under that 10 particular task is there, so
Yeah,
only this task we can evaluate. And
yeah.
if we start another project 3, under that 10 other additional individual task, like column
Mm.
1
No, like
to
that means like you need to make another baseline, new baseline.
new baseline for that. So
Yeah.
it is to make, that is my question.
What is that?
Because project 2 is there, that is a main subject, means suppose
Okay.
it's a,
See, you are
foundation.
asking for like after at this stage you are going to create more activities and so how
Yeah,
to
because
like
for example, what we initially started, foundation, and under that specific 5 steps are there, individual
okay,
tasks are there, and another is walls. So under
yeah,
under that, another 5.
Yeah.
So each stage of a entire project means house construction project, we can evaluate individually, possible,
No,
baseline and
normally
mm,
before baseline, you should fix everything. That's what I said. Like you should fix the
uh,
finish and end dates, and all the tasks should be completed well in before, and the cost should be checked. Then it's better
okay.
to have a updated baseline.
After that only,
Yeah,
only.
one by one, like you not make, and one by one you should not update. It is not good for the project.
Uh,
You should plan everything well in before, so that like you need to create a baseline and you need to follow the baselines, or you can update the actuals, so you will study at least what is going on with the current baseline.
uh, Still this mm, baseline for entire project if we put. So in our initial in the this PDF,
Okay.
uh, this foundation under that five different tasks are there, and walls under that five tasks, four tasks, roof four tasks. So each and every set task we can assign, we can do baseline assignment or entire project only we
No,
can do.
entire project, even book,
Ah,
it should not be. It's not the right way. So entire project, you should have the baseline.
but we have limited to 10 baseline tasks.
11, 11, 0
11.
baseline, and then
0.
baseline 1 to baseline 10.
Okay. So in the textbook says foundation activity individually we can evaluate.
Yeah,
Then we remove the baseline from that and we consider all evaluation and we will go back to walls. Then we can fix a baseline in that again. Each
yeah,
like that major task and under the subtask we can evaluate, right?
yeah, yeah.
That is my question actually.
And in the statistics, you can see now what is going on.
Uh-huh. Okay, current is
So project
113.
information, in this statistics, you can able to see after the baseline, everything also get updated.
Yeah, okay.
Now,
So
like you can refer the book, then try to do everything.
for one more thing, for fixing the baseline, we need to select all the 10 rows, right? 10 tasks. Then go to the project and select the baseline, set
No,
baseline.
no, no need to select everything. You can directly go
Ah,
because we
okay.
are selecting there. So here we are selecting entire project. No, no need to select separately.
Ah,
If you
okay, okay,
want
okay.
a particular task, then particular task you can go for select. You need to select here.
Ah, individually. Okay, okay.
Yeah,
Okay. Okay, then we are comparing with the planned schedule and actual schedule.
yeah.
Then the cost difference and impact we are this evaluation we are doing now. Okay, now it is clear. I need to work on this.
Okay, and we also can
Uh,
go for earned value. I was telling, right?
mm,
We can also go for more tables, earned value, cost indicator. Only for cost it will come.
okay.
See, only for cost it is coming. Here you
Mhm.
have to complete performance index. There is something, so you can see the formula when you keep the mouse there.
Uh-huh.
And CPI, see here CPI is automatically coming. Okay. So, but and also go for more tables. Then we can go for schedule indicators. Then SPI you will get.
Yeah.
So,
This
but this is
SP.
what schedule performance index.
Uh-huh. No, no, SP. Negative
Yes,
40% will show
that is variance, schedule variance.
variance. Okay.
That you will get from the formula. No need to buy heart. That's why I was telling only the important things.
Uh-huh.
You should know what is
Uh-huh.
planned value, earned value, actual cost, CPI, SPI.
Okay, okay, okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Then I can go to the, I think that's why better you can go with the earned value where you can see everything, all related cost and schedule.
Yes, yes.
And we can
Okay.
also customize CPI, SPI. Only these two, it will not be there.
Mhm. And if it is going well as per the actual schedule, all will be one only,
It
right?
one
SPA
one.
and
If it is as per the schedule, one one. If it is like
uh-huh.
spending less than the schedule, 1.1 like that. If it is like
We
completing before
achieved
the end
more.
dates, 1.1.
Yeah.
So
So
you
we
should get
achieved more. How it will come?
which,
Means under the fifth day, we
okay.
completed sixth task
No, I'm
in
not getting.
because the 5 tasks, 5 days, 5 tasks, right?
Yeah.
So within 5 days, we achieved sixth task also.
Then 1.1. See, for example, in that case,
Ah,
like I can go here.
show me the case.
Okay. So then I can select these two and I can put a 100 percentage.
Okay.
Okay.
Sixth one also.
But we
Ah,
need to put the status date.
yeah.
So status date as 25.
It will be reduced, right?
So 25, click
23.
OK. So reschedule. Okay.
It need to be 23. Then only it will come back, I think.
Yeah, yeah. 23. Because 17. Okay.
Date.
Because we already rescheduled it.
But this
So
date is changed.
where?
I don't know.
Here. Here it's
Yeah,
changed. Okay.
after
Then we will
9
see
days.
the table.
Still,
No,
it
it is
is.
not because we rescheduled already. That's why you need to be careful when rescheduling it.
So we cannot.
But what
Uh,
we can do means like here it's changed, but here we got rescheduled also.
yeah, because after 19, 4 day, 2 day holiday, and Monday, Tuesday also.
Actually, this is wrong. So whatever you want, you're supposed to do before itself, not now after.
Yeah, yeah. I'm checking the possibility if we achieved more.
But
What
in that
is
case, like you will get a 1.1 like that. If it is like five columns, like one.
Mhm.
Okay, so we can also like insert the column baseline start and all. Baseline, no, not baseline, not available. See, baseline start, baseline finish.
Ah,
So you can select from there.
okay.
So it is correct.
Ah,
19
yeah.
and then 20,
20,
then
then
21,
2 days.
22, 23. It's correct. 24. Okay, it is correct. Okay, but why here it was coming means like we need to reschedule it because we updated the project already. 17, 17, 18, 19, 20, 23. Okay, so we can also go for selected task alone.
Mhm.
You need to just move this also, or you can just try to,
Manually change.
yeah. Okay, this is for the whole project. So manually we can change.
So 24 will be, but the baseline also shifted. 26. Okay.
No, that's why like I was putting update project now before itself. You can try that one with you understand now like what I mean
Yeah,
because
yeah.
you updated it now again to go back it's difficult.
Okay, okay. We need to create another one
Another
and
one.
we
Yeah.
can. Okay.
But we can copy this same dates here. Why not? Control C, Control V, Control C. No, I can Control C, Control V. Hmm.
So
Now,
it is updated.
yeah, yeah, very simple. So you can just
Uh,
Control C and Control V, the baseline start.
ah,
Okay, now we can see the thing. Maybe updated. View entry table, move table, the end value. Got it. Now everything is got. See, you can see schedule wise one, but cost wise we not
one.
changed.
Yeah. Cost wise also we need to. So all are achieved as per the schedule performance. It is
Yeah.
complied.
Okay. But we can go to the entry table back. I was putting 100, 100, 100. So you can see again. So table, more
Okay.
table, and the value. Now you can see one, one, both. But you are
Yeah.
also asking what if it is like
One more means within 5 days achieved six
completed.
task.
So
Yeah.
select this and then you can go to 100 percentage.
Okay.
Okay. Now like we will see the status date. Anyway, the status date is already like 23 only.
So we need to
Okay.
shift it to 24, right? 23. Yes, that is 23 only. Then
Then end value you can able to see, but we need to update it. Na, so six completed.
baseline, we are not do not change that
We completed that, but we need to change the thing. Na, update project.
date. Yeah.
Reschedule completed work. So click OK.
Yeah. So okay.
Wait a minute. So it is like 17 we started. 17, 18, 19, 20, 23. Okay. In this
Yeah.
23, but we have six completed.
Achieve sixth completed.
Hmm. Okay. For that, like what we can do means like we need to change here na the date 23. We can just copy the
Yes.
same Control C and then Control V. Now you
Okay.
can see it is now updated.
Okay.
So then
So
we can able to go and see the more table and the end value apply. Now you can
so
see
the SPI
schedule wise
total
1.2,
1.2. Okay.
cost
Cost
wise
wise,
like normal.
it, okay, okay. We spent at the same value for that period. Yes.
Yeah. But why here more than one? Because we are just completing
Schedule
the
wise,
task before the dates.
yeah.
Now this is what you asked.
Yeah, but the schedule cost wise, it is beneficial to us, right? Means so it will be earning to the or savings for the company, kind of
The savings for the company in terms of time.
time. Yeah, time.
Uh,
Yeah, yes. Okay, okay. I
Okay.
what I thought the same resource we use uh, as per the baseline 6 days we need to spend $600, but with the resource of 500 we achieve 6 days task. What I mean that way.
No, no,
That's
no.
why.
Now, how in that case, like, yeah, that you
Ah,
can put it back. So, how much
yeah,
cost? Maybe like 50-50 for the fifth and sixth actual cost.
yeah, I like that.
Yeah, if you
Okay.
want also that you can make it, but you need to update the
Ah,
actual cost accordingly.
actual cost. Yeah.
Then here also it will be 1.2.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Do you want me
That
to
is
do
clear.
that also?
It's you can try that also.
Okay, so the actual cost, right?
Yeah.
Actual, this is like cost. Fifth, I
Mm.
will put the 50. Then I again put 50. Okay.
Okay.
Now we can see the table and value. See?
That also
Mm.
tomato.
And why
That we
here
need
it is
to.
2? Because we are spending half
Yeah.
of that. Yeah, that's why the
Yeah.
CPI becomes 2.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. Okay. That each different cases be clear. Three different cases. Yeah.
Okay, if you are okay with this
Yeah.
concept, then you can handle any kind
Yeah.
of project. So that's why I always choose this example, 10 column example.
Yeah. Yeah.